Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Memo Clarity, the brain supplement that's been stalking your social media feed like a desperate ex, promising to supercharge your focus and memory. It's one of those nootropic blends packed with ingredients like bacopa, ginkgo, and lion's mane, the kind of stuff that sounds incredibly impressive if you've spent your lunch break Googling how to focus better without resorting to prescription meds. To be fair, the ingredients themselves aren't actually trash. Bacopa and ginkgo have legitimate studies supporting their effects on memory and circulation. Even lion's mane has some early research regarding neurogenesis, which sounds like a sci-fi plot, but is surprisingly grounded in reality. However, there's a big but coming, and it's a massive one. The dosages are hidden behind a proprietary blend. That is supplement speak for, we're not telling you how much of anything is actually in here. So you might be getting a therapeutic dose of lion's mane, or just a faint lion's whisper. At $60 a bottle, you're basically paying premium prices for a mystery box for your brain. With zero third-party testing, you're essentially gambling on whether you're buying peak performance or just a very expensive placebo. Honestly, for $60, I'd expect the bottle to at least do my taxes for me. The marketing doesn't help much either, leaning heavily on those dramatic productivity claims and that classic Harvard neuroscientists hate this one weird trick energy. It screams internet supplement hustle, complete with mixed reviews where some people feel like geniuses and others just end up with a headache and a lighter wallet. And while that 90-day money-back guarantee sounds generous, they've made the cancellation process involve more hurdles than an Olympic track meet. It's a classic move designed to make you give up before you ever see your refund. My final verdict is pretty simple. If you have the budget to burn, it's not the worst gamble out there, but it is far from a miracle pill. You're getting solid ingredients wrapped in sketchy transparency and a mountain of marketing fluff. If you're expecting the limitless experience, you're going to be disappointed. If you're okay with a subtle boost or possibly just producing some very expensive neon-colored pee, then go for it. If I just saved you from an impulsive 1 a.m. brain pill purchase, hit that like button. I drop no-fluff reviews on gadgets and health trends every week. So if you've actually tried Memo Clarity, tell me your story in the comments. I want the real tea.